Wow. Look at that moon. Just after 5 a.m. Just woke up and I seen that shining through my window. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can hear the dawn chorus too. Awesome sight.